Okay, we are live.
Awesome. Okay.
So 1 and 2 you do by yourself. 3, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test? Comparing two means with independent samples. Mark all that apply. I think it's a simple random sample was drawn from each population, and X bar is normally distributed.
Yeah, the sample size doesn't have to be the same, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's right. All right. The test statistic for a hypothesis test computing two means with independent sample is a
T-score.
Yeah, it's still the T-score, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be grouped. No, it's the second one. Knowing which subjects are being grouped one tells you nothing about which subjects are being grouped two. Yeah.
Yeah.
The second one.
Okay.
All right.
SPSS.
Let me open this up real quick.
With these ones, is this where we do like an ANOVA test or?
The transform automatic.
The automatic recode?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think. Well, let me just look at SPSS. Actually, I don't think we need a recode.
Yeah, I don't think so either because they don't have the two. So we just do the t-test, right? Or
Yeah, you do the hypothesis test.
The mini meatballs require reheat. Good job from you. Hope folks like their meatballs well done.
I'm so tired.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sometimes I do not know the strength of my own hammer. Wow. Yes. Now,
So we go to analyze and then we go to descriptive statistics, right? Or
Yeah, but did you get them in different, like, because you have to split them up between Idaho Falls and Rexburg.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see.
Dang, that's.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I'm out of it today. So
I must get more ice. More ice? Dusty wants carvings of all the
Okay, so I've got mine. What?
Hey, Thor said you might need help with the ice. Tony, is something wrong? I think this party's getting out of control.
There's not as many.
I think it's just getting
What?
No, yeah, never mind.
I think I messed it up somehow. I have no idea. Because I was trying to split them, and now I have something that I don't understand where it came from.
Yeah, honestly, this lesson's really confusing me. I actually signed up for a tutoring appointment today.
Okay. I've got mine split in two now.
How did you get it split in two?
You just copy and paste it.
Yeah, that's what I did. So then I go to analyze, compare means. And then which one?
Well, I think it's different this time because if you look at the homework,
Uh-huh.
We don't do that.
Weird today.
You do.
Something is different about the Simpsons today. Your father's wearing a turban.
One turkey patties, princess chef, please. Always good to meet a fellow M. Huh? Adult male fan of princesses.
All right, and then we.
She's always full of. It's weird. I feel like I've seen this toy before.
Is this where we do the independent sample t-test?
Yeah, this is where I'm really confused, guys. I'm sorry.
I am like so not with it today. Sorry, let me pull up the stupid thing.
Did you replace our regular mirror with a magical mirror from a mystical salesman at a weird store that if we went back to find it, it wouldn't be there anymore? Wow. But I'm having all these hallucinations.
Okay.
You've probably seen one of these, a Lego brick. But have you ever wondered how it all started and why it's called Lego? Actually, the name is much older than this plastic brick. Are you curious? Let me tell you how it all began.
Okay.
Years ago, there was a skilled and hardworking carpenter named Ole Kirk Christensen.
Difference
Ole
between
was a
two
respected
means.
carpenter.
Okay, so we're supposed to do a side-by-side histogram for both of them?
Hold on.
Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls is less than the mean bill at Rexburg office. So we use a hypothesis test.
Okay, I see what I need to do. Oh, okay, I see what I'm doing wrong. Did you guys work it out yet or no?
No.
Okay.
So I think the degrees of freedom is 19 on both.
Okay. Automatic recode.
Wait, did you do an automatic recode, Luke?
Oh, do I have to do that on SPSS?
I don't know, because I was trying to do that and it wouldn't let me.
Really? Huh. So what all I did is I went to analyze one sample t-test, and I did the Idaho Falls first, and then I did a Rexburg next, and then I just
Yeah,
did
I think we have to do independent sample t-tests.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And when I did that, mine is just showing up as like the group subcommanded are unknown. And I was like, well, this is your job, so I don't know.
What the crud?
And then the grouping variable, would that just be our A? Or I mean our alpha 0.10?
Okay. All right. I got mine
wait.
going now. Sorry.
What'd you
All
say,
right.
Luke?
So it asks for a grouping variable with
Uh-huh.
So, okay. So, what you have to do is you have to go in and you have to transform it, and you do the cities because you want it to be city 1, city 2.
Uh-huh. But it's not letting me press OK.
It wouldn't let me press OK either until I had to rename my recodes, and I just had to name them H. Because for some reason it wouldn't let me rename it recodes, and it wouldn't let me rename it like cities 2. Like I had to just rename it like one character before it would let me
Okay.
do that.
Okay. So I did that. And then you go to SPSS. And then did you have to reorganize your columns or no?
No.
Okay.
And we do an independent sample t-test, right?
Yeah.
So then we do
Analyze,
the test
comparing.
variable, and then H is the grouping variable. Define groups.
what's the
Group
grouping
1
variable?
is 1, group 2 is 2. Continue.
So which one's the grouping variable? Do you do the whole Dennis bill as the grouping variable?
Okay. Okay, I finally got mine working.
So Charity, what are you using for your grouping value?
So the grouping value, so you have to go in and you have to, so you start fresh with the SPSS and you go to transform.
Uh-huh.
And you go to recode, automatic recode.
Okay.
And you're recoding the city names. So hit the variable or whatever, and you're going to do the city. And then you just have to rename it. And for some reason, for me, it wouldn't let me rename it like recode or whatever. I just had to name it like H.
Right.
So
You just add new name.
wait, you're cutting in and out really bad. Let me see if I can fix my head. Hold on.
It's probably my internet connection. Don't worry about it. Oh.
All right, you there?
Yes.
Did it let you rename them or no?
Yeah, so I renamed them. Put the name as Bobby.
I'm getting like really bad cutting in and out.
Dang.
Let me see. I got my headphones out. All right, say something again.
Okay, so I renamed them all to Bobby. Well, again, I transformed it, and now I don't know what I
I
need to
cannot
do.
understand a word you're saying. Let me try to exit the call and come back.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Now I can.
Oh, okay. I
You
was
were on
talking.
mute for a while.
Oh, my beat.
No, you're
Okay.
good.
I can't hear you guys now. Sorry. So, did you guys get them renamed or no?
Yeah, I renamed it.
Okay. So then you go to analyze,
Uh-huh.
compare mean,
Mm-hmm.
and the independent sample t-test.
Yep.
And so the test variable is the dentist bills. The group variable is the new code that you just made, where it's group 1 and 2. And then it will want you to define your groups. And so it will say group 1, just put 1, and then group 2, just put 2, and then hit OK.
Dang, now you're cutting in and out.
Can you hear me or no?
Okay, now I can. So test variables is filled, grouping variable is name.
Yeah, the grouping variable is the new one that you just did. And then it will tell you to it will want you to define those and just put group 1 is 1, 2.
So, are you good with Luke?
Yeah, I think so. When I just couldn't hear
Okay.
the description of how to do it, so I did the Idaho Falls on the top, and then the define group or whatever, the newer one. I just did my new name on the bottom, and I hit OK. Did 1 and 2, and so I've got a group statistic right now.
All right, what are the degrees of freedom?
Equal variance is assumed. Equal variance is not assumed. Those are two different degrees of freedom, right?
I think we'd probably do the first one.
But either way, it's going to be 38, right? Because 37.996 would just round up to
37.
or 38.
I got 37 in one, and then I got 36.953.
I got 38.
Yeah, I got 38 as well.
That's awkward.
What did you guys get for your SIG two-tailed or whatever?
0.666.
Yeah, I got
got
0.666 as well.
I got 0.801.
That's weird.
Well, I guess each of us can just do one answer. So
Yeah. This is going to be a really stupid question, but I kind of forgot when you know it's one-tailed or two-tailed.
If they want it to be equal to the mu, then it's two-tailed. If it want it to be greater or lower, then it's one-tailed.
So it's two-tailed.
So
this one's two-tailed.
No, it's one-tailed.
What the? So you look at the alternative?
Yeah, if the alternative hypothesis is not if it has the equal sign and then it has a slash through it, it's two-tailed.
Okay.
If it's greater or lower, then it's always going to be one-tailed.
Thanks.
So, all right, let me try to recalculate my thing really quick to see what the crud is going on. Because I want to see if I did something wrong. So it will take me like 2 seconds, sorry.
Okay.
Because it's weird to me that you guys got both the same one and
Yeah.
I got something way out there.
What is the number for the test statistic again?
The test statistic, isn't that the t-value?
Oh,
Or
okay.
the t-score?
Sure. Sorry, there's just so much now, I think.
Yeah, there's a lot. Like,
So, Alexa, for number 6, did you put in 38 or did you do the 37.996?
I just said 38.
Okay, but your second number was 37.996.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, I'll do 37.996 just in case, so we
Okay.
can have another number.
Okay.
The sample standard deviation. So sample, we take that for Rexburg. So
All
that
right.
would be 206.
okay, I got what you guys
637.
got now.
Yeah.
So,
You what?
You got what we got.
Oh, perfect. Oh, she's gone.
Okay. Hey, it wasn't my internet that was messing up this time.
Okay, so, and then test statistic, you got negative 0.434.
Yes. Negative 0.43.
all right. What question are you guys on?
9.
9? Okay, so for 7, the standard deviation for Rexburg.
It's 206.637.
Yeah. 206.637.
Mm-hmm.
And the test statistic. So negative 0.43.
Mm-hmm.
So now for p-value, do we have to pull up the applet?
For what?
No, we don't have to pull up the applet for the p-value, do we?
P-value.
Because the p-value
No,
is the
it's a
sig, but we
sig.
just have to divide it into 2.
What's a two-tailed sig?
So 0.666 divided by 2. So it's 0.333. Zero 0.333. All right, so we failed to reject the null.
Yeah. Okay, suppose instead that you use the alternative hypothesis of that, what is the correct decision based on this evidence?
Hey, real quick, number 9, you got 0.333
Yeah.
and then failed to reject?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then 11 we're on.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It would still be 0.666, so we'd still have insufficient evidence. Different or the same? Wouldn't it be the mean of these two cities are the same?
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah, so the bottom one.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay, now that we know how to do this, I'm sure it's going to go much easier for this next one.
That was interesting.
I usually try to take the homework quiz before I do this quiz, just to like better prepare myself, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I was just like so lost.
I try to like do it right afterwards because I'm like, I don't even know. Like,
Mhm.
so.
Yeah, that's really smart. I wait till like Saturday night, and then I'm like, oh crap, how do I do this again?
Well, you also did that on your
Yeah.
test, so
Yeah.
dang, you are so lucky that she let you redo that. I was thinking about that.
Yeah, I know.
That would have sucked. Oh my goodness.
I was
Yeah.
actually shocked she let you.
Yeah.
I
know.
wasn't super shocked because the online teachers can be pretty lenient sometimes, but
Yeah.
I just thought like it was open for a week, so I was like, "There's no way."
I've had
Sorry.
like my teacher, if we were in the teacher that I had last semester for this class, he would have been like, whatever, dude. Like, because when I told him that because I only answered the first like 5 questions on the final, and that's why I had to retake this class because I had it open in 2 like browser windows. And I noticed it after I'd answered 5, and I just hit exit out of one of them, and finished the final. And it only marked me for those 5 questions, even though I had finished all the others. And he was like, "Too bad, so sad." I was like, "Oh."
It's surprising to me that they let you open it in 2 browsers.
Yeah, I was like, "Oh." So, but if you try to do like this test, you can have it open in 2 browsers too.
Yeah.
You suspect that the freshmen cook dinner for themselves is different number of times from the freshman in Colorado. Prepare a hypothesis test. No hypothesis is. I'm confused.
What? Ugh. Okay.
So it's the second one because you just say
Right,
it's
just says it's
different.
different. Yeah.
So this one is a 2-tell test.
Okay. So the test
So
statistic is negative 0.867.
negative 0.867.
Negative 0.867.
Yeah. That's what I got at least.
Okay.
And the p-value is 0.396. And so that means we fail to reject.
So wait, which one do we use?
I think we just use the top one. If not, I'll submit mine first and we can put the bottom one if I don't get them right, and then it'll probably be that. Right? Does that
Yeah.
work? Okay. Sorry if I'm like super nasally right now. I feel like I keep like
You're good.
trying to, yeah.
What was 14? Sorry, you guys.
I
got
hate when
cut
people
off.
do that. Okay, determine
What
the
are you-
margin of error for
what are
this
you guys on?
95% confidence interval.
What are you guys on? I got cut off at 14.
So we use the top one?
What are you guys on?
15?
Probably.
6?
Yeah, 16.
Oh, what did you guys do for 14? Because there's 2 different numbers, so I was confused.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, for 14, I'll put the other number just in case. I'll put the 0.410.
Okay. 8.410.
Yeah, for the sig
Yeah.
detail and for the p-value, because you put
Yeah,
0.396, right?
Yeah, she left. It kicked her out.
Oh, dang. So now we're not live anymore. Well, I guess we.
No, it says we're still alive. Hopefully. So it says on mine. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, she's back. I think, aren't we supposed to use the bigger number if there's two? Alexa?
Gosh, I'm muted again. It keeps kicking me out. Sorry.
And then same thing with the test statistic. I'm going to do the 0.845.
Seven. So I put the top.
Alexa?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put the. I am here, but it's. Wait, can she not hear me?
Can you not hear her, Charity?
I can't hear her at all.
No.
Mm-mm.
I don't know. I can hear her.
Let me try to leave and come back.
Okay.
This,
She's
I
going
think.
to come back.
I
Can you
can
hear?
hear. Yeah, I can
you
hear her
hear her?
fine. Yeah.
Dang.
This is stupid.
No, this is frustrating. This is.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna go submit mine right now.
Okay. Just do it. 16, 17, 18. Okay.
I got a 68%.
Okay. Which ones did you get?
I missed 16, 17, and 18.
Okay.
And I missed the p-value for on
14.
14. Yeah. And
But
I
did
missed 13.
You got the test, but you
Sorry.
got the test statistic for 13.
No, I missed that one too. So you probably do the bottom one.
Okay. And then for
All right.
8
So
and
wait,
9.
what?
8 and 9, let me look. I got number 11
what's-
wrong.
What did you put in? Oh, you put the very bottom one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just put the second one.
And I got degrees of freedom for number 6 wrong.
Number 6 is wrong. When you put 38, right?
Right.
Okay, I put 37.996.
So wait, which ones did you get wrong? I'm confused.
6.
So.
I'll write it down so we don't forget too.
Yeah.
So you put 37.996.
No, she didn't. She put 38.
So is that what you're putting? The
That's what I'm gonna put.
37.996?
I'll turn mine. I'll turn mine in here in a second. We'll see what we get.
So what did you put in for? 14? Did you put in the?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got 14 wrong.
So it was the point.
We're hoping it's 0.410. And
I
15.
think it tells you to take the bigger one, like whichever time.
15 I got right.
Well,
Or
what
is
did you
it the
put?
bottom one?
Failed to reject.
Failed to reject. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to take us off live actually.